Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This multi-family two-story residence sitting on half of an acre is a diamond in the rough for the discerning buyer. This building comprises of 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with living, dining room, kitchen, laundry room, study, veranda, rear patio, and a double carport. It also boasts an incomplete 2-section multifamily dwelling on the first floor, with both sections able to accommodate a sheer balcony and separate living, dining, and kitchen, with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom in each unit. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 33 million or US $214.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.